Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to set wall picture as WhatsApp profile. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now when you open your WhatsApp and you want to change your profile picture, go to these three dots right here, then go to settings, then click on your profile picture, then click on it again, and as you can see here, I can see my own profile picture. But now let's say that I want to change it. Click on this camera icon right here, then go to gallery and choose whatever picture or whatever photo you want. So I'm gonna choose this one here, for example. And now as you can see here, I cannot actually set the whole picture as a profile picture, and I have to choose just a small part of this picture. So what I'm gonna do right now is to simply go back and open up my gallery, then choose the photo that you want to use. So what I'm gonna do right now is to simply rotate this picture right here. So I'm gonna open up the picture from my gallery, then go to this option right here, edit, then click on crop. And now here, as you can see, I can rotate the picture as I want, and you can use any application auto to rotate the picture. Now after rotating the picture, I'm gonna click on save right here. Now after rotating the picture, all I want you to do now is to take a screenshot of this picture right now. So I'm gonna take a screenshot, as you can see, then I'm gonna crop it or leave it as it, or leave it like this. Now click on this icon right here, then go back to your WhatsApp and click on this icon right here, then go to gallery, then choose the photo that you have rotated and took it as a screenshot. Now you can simply take the wall picture as a profile picture, then click on done. And now here, as you can see, you have the picture as a wall picture, but there's just a small thing that I forgot to rotate the picture. So all you have to do now is to click on this rotation marker right here. Then as you can see, it's done. Then click on done. And here you have the picture with its full resolution, the whole picture, as you can see. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.